Scouts team from Foothills Fellowship, Dahlonega, Georgia. We are here to inform you about our fire prevention invention, the safety sheet cell.
We learned about many different types of natural disasters, and we went to the CDC where we learned about the zombie apocalypse campaign.
The zombie apocalypse campaign is a way to get people excited for preparing for natural disasters.
Our group used the zombie apocalypse campaign and included it in the movie that you're about to see. We also used zombies in our video game that teaches kids how to prepare for a natural disaster. In addition to further our knowledge about weather, we went to the Weather Center at the Fernbank Museum. We had presentations from a natural disaster specialist and a fireman. We also learned CPR.
30 to 2 is the thing to do.
We researched the Smokey the Bear campaign and how we can prevent forest fires.
We decided our location to be Yosemite, California, where the first largest wildfire the state has seen occurred this summer.
Lightning can cause a wildfire, but the main causes of wildfires is human carelessness. Fires that are left uncontrolled, left unattended, or put in an unapproved place.
So we decided we needed a device that would easily put out campfires.
At first we had an idea to use a dome for our project, but we would be afraid that it would be too heavy and possibly dangerous.
We talked to an engineer about something that the firefighters discovered when they entered a burning building, that everything was destroyed except for the diapers.
Ew.
The substances that are in the diapers is called SAP, superabsorbent polymers.
The outer layer of the safety sheet cell will be made out of biodegradable paper. Our product contains no human-made plastic fibers because soil organisms are unable to break them down.
So without further ado, here's our project on the safety sheet cell.
It's on. Here you go.
You guys want to hit the light, you can. You can light back on.
Yeah, turn the light on. We're gonna fix the volume.
You have to turn on the bulbs right there.
Yeah, it's on. It's
It's
not.
on.
We might be able to hear it if you put the laptop on the desk.
Okay.
I'll be able to hear that way.
fire out so fast in the world?
Looks like he needs a safety sheet too.
We looked to see if there were any other devices similar to or the same as ours. And we found there was one similar idea, but it was not made of the same material and it wasn't designed for campfires.
We made a prototype out of diapers that were taped together. We built a fire and used our device to put it out.
We gathered around in anticipation and frankly we were not sure if the safety sheets would work. Our team was ecstatic when we saw the results. We activated the diapers with water and placed them on the smoldering fire. Fire was out in 30 seconds.
Furthermore, we are amazed to see the underside of the safety sheets. It was completely unburned.
We felt that preventing forest fire, wildfires was an important topic to research because we know the value of trees.
We learned the values of trees from Miss Donna from the Hemlock Preservation Society.
24/7 trees make oxygen. They keep the water cold because trouts like to keep it cool.
We hope that you enjoyed our project presentation about the safety sheets, our portable fire prevention device.
Now, don't you want to go out and get your own safety sheets for the next time you take a camping trip? Now, do you have any questions?
Is this itself the safety sheet?
No.
It's
That's
not the
just-
one we use.
it's a
but it is
prototype.
safety sheet.
We're not going to use diapers because they aren't biodegradable, but there's like stuff in the diapers says we were spinning the thing the sap, and it's like. And we were going to surround that by I think it was Novacool that we chose. Yes,
Novacool.
So how much would your solution cost if you make it?
It would cost 24 cents per sheet.
And have you shared this solution with anyone?
Yes, we share it with our church because we're a sponsor of the church. This is a church sponsor.
And we shared it with my school, Blackburn Elementary. We shared it with a firefighter from Forsyth County and a firefighter from Loncombe County. And a park ranger named Sharon.
Yeah, we talked to her idea about a park ranger that used to be my mom's friend, and she thought it was a good idea too.
What was your inspiration behind trying to start finding, where did you get that idea from?
Well, we were going to use like a dome, like we said in our script, but we thought it was a really good idea, but when we were thinking of the name, I think it was Sam, but he said that it might be too heavy for children to lift up, and so if a child falls in there and closes, they might suffocate and die. So we just chose a sheet because that was really easy, portable, and just safe.
Now, is this to just put on fires, campfires, or to prevent forest fires?
To prevent campfires going out of control. Like what you do, you pour water on it, you put the sheet on it, just like to leave it up in there, and then you take it off, and the cold should be gone, but just so it just doesn't come up and like start a fire.
Flare up in there.
The
Because
sheet
the
suffocates it so that it can't get any more oxygen, so that the fire can't spread.
A
So-
problem with the dome was that the campground could be uneven, so when you put it over, there would still be some oxygen.
Still seeping in.
Alright, so this is just a prototype, it'd really just be the sheet.
Yes.
We actually tried it on a real fire. Yes,
We
we
tried
tried
it
it on
on
that
the real
video.
fire.
And
And there were pictures
it's
that
like 1 minute in there, 30 seconds. Yeah.
Just in case.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you.
for listening. Thank you. Thank you.